GE dishwasher not getting power to this. This control board's already been replaced. And what I'll do, I've already lowered all this shit. You can watch other videos if you need to see how you do this. I've already checked there's 120 to the stupid box over here. Then I'm going to check for voltage to pin 2 and 5. I'm not taking everything apart. What you do is, I don't know, this is a cheap Walmart one. I'll prop it up and show you, because there's no fucking videos. Really, it'd be cool. I need to buy a phone holder. Alright, do you see the voltage? I'm gonna take these, pin 2 and 5. My light is also solid green in there. I don't care if I get shocked. And it's hitting a 5.7, 5.6, 6.2. I'm not getting 14. 4.49, 6.1. What I'll do now is I'll take, I've already taken it out, and I'll go pin 2. Hold on. I've even flipped this thing around to see if I get better continuity. Whatever. Got 6. Pin 2 and pin 5. 5.9 volts. So my fucking control board is bad. Everyone else's usually on these videos pops up as 14 volts, which means the main control board is getting enough juice to this stupid thing. Look, I'll show you. See, lights on, only getting, like you saw, maybe 4.9, 5, 6 volts. You need 14. Pins 2. You don't need to flip it over, but pin 2 right there, and pin 5 on the bottom right there, closest to the stupid connection. So these are about $100 on Amazon. I'm gonna have to order one because this is my wife, the dishwasher. Alright. I also don't care if you don't like my language. There's a nut there, and there's probably a few others. Disconnect a few of these, make sure the power's off, connect the new one in, bam. Dishwasher again. This thing's a piece of shit. Had to replace the fucking drain pump, the main pump. And when we bought it, we bought this thing damn near brand new from somebody, but they had the user interface thing go out, and while I was sitting in the garage waiting for the repair people to come out on warranty, she bought another dishwasher, sold this one. Anyways, it had a brand new replaced interface. We've had this thing for about 3-4 years, and I've already replaced the drain pump and the main pump. The main pump though had a crack in it or something, but the drain pump, I don't know what the hell. But I've had to replace that maybe twice. I think I bought a used one. And now, this main board's out. I think what screws all this stuff up, to be honest with you, is the heat. The heated cycles. Because, boy, you can't even touch the knives or forks when you pull them out. Look at this nice Note 9. Can't focus. Sorry, this video clip's in the way. Anyways, I might have to get another control main board. Yay, $100 down a drain.